everybody, welcome back to our channel, God Creations Lover. So friends, you can see how beautiful place is this. I have no words to express such a beautiful place. So friends, I would like to speak a poem on it. So please enjoy this video and watch till end. Nature, nature, nature. It's God's beautiful creation. Nature, nature, nature. It's God's beautiful creation. God made everything suffice so everyone can have enough to survive. God made everything suffice so everyone can have enough to survive. Mountains spreads their own beauty. Mountains spreads their own beauty. Rivers have their own beauty. Plants have their own beauty. Rivers have their own beauty. Plants have their own beauty. Together they say, "Oh man, please complete your duty. Oh man, please complete your duty." People who harm the nature, they disturb the God's creation. People who harm nature, they disturb God's creation. People who destroy trees, God takes from them everything for free. People who destroy the trees, God takes from them everything for free. Men and women are the beautiful creation to enhance the beauty of nature. Men and women are the beautiful creation to enhance the beauty of nature. Nature is everywhere and need to care throughout the year. And need to care throughout the year. Nature gives us peace to spend our life with easy. Nature gives us peace to spend our life with easy. Oh man, please don't destroy the nature, do your duty. Oh man, don't destroy the nature, do your duty. And let the nature to spread its beauty, and let the nature spread its beauty. So friends, if you like our video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to put bell icon. Thanks for watching.